Okay, I know I'm really mean for this, but you have to wait till tomorrow's video to find out what this all looks like. Now, I don't actually know if, when I film the video, if it'll actually be, exactly the next day after I film this, but it'll be close. So just know that the next video after this will be the Murray Final Restoration video whenever I upload it. So, but thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that video, or if you're watching in the future, it's already uploaded, so go watch it. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.